Jesus Christ.
Guys,
Shout, it's about time. It's about time and stop playing. Hey God, let me hola. So you be like, what did they call you? You be like flight attendant. Who they call me? May nobody call me. Bet views. Thank you for the sub. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Jesus, where is it going to, guys? Hola go shop. Jesus, Alpha, come on. Come on, go. More than just the good double 30 BG. Jesus. After? You said what? After what? The customer. I'm okay. Jesus. Shout! Shout! We get a private jet. Come enter. Jesus. Small. We're gonna punish you. Yeah. Jesus. Where was that? Yeah. I don't die. My boss. Jesus. Shout! Don't you touch the fucking shout and stop playing. Give me mic. Jesus Christ. My boss will not mind my dressing. Now they are this setting so. Daddy, I beg you, take mic. Hey God. Jesus, I don't know say bed the day to play no. Yes. Are you sure you want to put it like here, right? Daddy, your phone. Come, let's sit down here. Okay, boss. Jesus Christ, Jesus. How you doing? Hey, Afa. Bless you. You day with Baba me. Wait, now let me call any pass. Cameraman, go front. Wait. I like your attire, bro. Thank you, sir. Wait. Thank you, sir. Sir, I'm very happy. I never enter private. Come here, idiot. You didn't enter private jet before. Bring your head. Go. Daddy, I swear to God, I have a lot of questions to ask you. You understand? I'm so happy to be here. I'm honored, and for the fact that you called me again the second time. A lot of people don't say it don't finish. You the case? Hey God. I just feel like your content is like non-negotiable. Whether person deal, whether person no deal. Hey God. You've done a pretty good job, so I don't feel like every time you need. I mean, they say outside well, Anna. Of course. And actually, you help my guys too. So, man, thank you, my boss. Sir, I want to ask a lot of things there for that your album. I won't give you. What did make you be like? Say you don't name your album Moria Day. Now I bring this thing come. Yeah. Sweet man. You like the music? It's sweet die. Now I'm playing handler with this. He handles all the. How many private jets we get? 3. Yeah. Jesus! Mama, I just said that word. Serviceable. 3. Serviceable. Active. 3. Which can run be this? Mama. They do get 3 jets. Confirm. Love is just jet to that jet. Jesus Christ. So, with the album, you guys are like. First of all, this was my last album. This was my last album with Sony, so I really wanted to put musically my all into it. It was not that many songs, but I feel like the amount of the 13 songs was okay because now attention span is like this. I swear. You know what I'm saying? Even once you do a stream, they want another one the next. Guys, shut up. Go and do your immigration. Pass, see. You want stream, no one. WGJ the fucking shot. WGJ the fucking shot. So this is my cousin, by the way, AY. AY, don't please.
ABJ boy.
Jesus
See,
Christ.
the whole family, once that Adeleke enter your name, you no go enter commercial again.
Jesus Christ, daddy.
And then if you marry